Open the browser and enter www.hubsan.com for the official website. Before you start shopping, choose your region in the upper right corner of the page. Hubsan Official Mall has already covered Asia, Europe, America, and some other regions. In the products category on the official website, we have categorized all of our products so that you can find your favorite models and accessories more conveniently. Choose the product that you are interested in from each category. Each product page has a detailed description of each item. After placing the order, we will ship the products as soon as possible. The products will be shipped from the warehouse that is closest to your location, as in US warehouse, European warehouse, China warehouse. The warehouse location will be displayed under your shopping cart. Enter your coupon code before you place the order. The shipping method by default is standard shipping. Please refer to the delivery instructions page on the official website for estimate delivery time. If you need further assistance for your order, please contact the customer service team. If you have any questions regarding the website, click on Online Service for assistance. In the support category, we have uploaded the user manuals, firmware upgrades, app downloads, and our contact information. If you are interested in becoming our distributor, please fill out your information under wholesale category. We will contact you within 3 business days once we receive your application. You can also learn more drone-related knowledge in the forums. Thank you for choosing Hubsan.